So here's how you're going to use the new Canva AI design tool to create YouTube thumbnails. Let's get started with going to canva.com. And then from here, you can access the Canva AI by clicking on this Canva AI with the new banner at the top. Just click on it and then describe your idea and Canva AI will bring it to life. So let's click on this design for me. And then let's say I want you to design a YouTube thumbnail. Now let's hit on enter or just click on that arrow button that is submit and then wait for AI to think and gather some ideas. If you're going to be more precise with your prompt, Canva AI is going to be more precise with the thumbnail design as well that suits your YouTube channel the best. Since we weren't very detailed with how we want our YouTube thumbnail to look like, it just gave me these types of designs that aren't really specific with any topics that we want. So let's try to refine this design by giving more prompts to Canva AI. So my prompt is create a YouTube thumbnail for me about a tutorial on how to use Canva AI to design projects. Now let's just send this to Canva AI and let's see what it can do. If you can be more precise with the colors that you want or the elements that you want Canva AI to integrate in your thumbnail, it's going to look a lot more better for you and more suitable for your YouTube channel. As you can see here, Canva AI add a title and a subtitle as well. You can see here, it gave me several options depending on the type of videos that I would do, depending on the tone. You can see here I have a darker one, a lighter one as well. But since this is what I prefer the most, let's just click on this. And you can actually edit this by going into Canva editor. Just click on use Canva editor and it will take you to the Canva editor page. Now you can edit this YouTube thumbnail if you want to alter the text maybe, or if you want to remove the subtitle, or if you want to add an image or add your YouTube channel name, and then just like the usual how you would design a thumbnail manually. And that is how you use Canva AI to create YouTube thumbnails.